In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Booking.com account. Let's start with personal traveler accounts, since that's what most people use. The change happens inside your account settings, and the process is straightforward if you still have access to your current email. Sign in on the Booking.com website or app, then open your account or profile settings. Look for the email address section and choose Edit or Change. Enter the new email you want to use. At this point, Booking.com typically sends verification messages to both your old email and your new one. This is a security check to confirm it's really you making the change. Open those emails and follow the instructions to verify. Only after you complete those verifications will your login and Booking.com communications switch over to the new address. A couple of tips can make this part smoother. Keep both inboxes handy and check spam or junk folders if you don't see the messages right away. Verification links or codes can be time-limited, so act promptly once they arrive. If you've linked a phone number to your account, that can sometimes help complete the update, especially in situations where the site keeps sending verification only to the old email. Using the phone verification option, when offered, can help Booking.com confirm the change. Now, there's a different process for business or corporate profiles, and it's important to follow the approach Booking.com recommends. For business accounts, the email is the login itself, so you can't directly update the email of an existing profile. Instead, the right path is to disable the old profile if it's incorrect, and then create a new profile with the new email address. You do this through the Invite Colleagues option within your business account tools. In other words, rather than editing the email on the existing profile, you retire that profile and invite the new email as a separate profile. This keeps access clean and aligns with how Booking.com structures business logins. To recap, for standard traveler accounts, change the email in your settings and complete the verification from both inboxes so your login and messages move to the new address. If verification gets stuck on the old email, try the phone number route if it's linked. For business or corporate profiles, disable the old profile and add a new one using Invite Colleagues. Follow these guidelines, and you'll be set up with the right email for your Booking.com account.